Alright, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So militant or militate, militate and mitigate. Militate and mitigate. So militate, something powerful that prevents something else. I want to militate these rules. We can militate them all. How did they militate these, I don't know, these cities? Militate these cities. Yeah. They tried to militate us. Yeah. How? Well, why didn't they manage to militate anything? Militate us? Why didn't they manage to do it? How did they fail to stop something using force? Yeah. Stop something using force. Yeah. Very good. Now, mitigate, to delay or put something off. To delay and put something off. So, I know how to mitigate the side effects. Yeah. The best way to mitigate the damage would be to get it repaired now. When that happens, you need to wet it in order to mitigate the stain. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So I will mitigate the disaster. So by using insurance, we can mitigate the damage from the storm. So even though the damage will happen, we can mitigate the bad effects by the insurance. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. This should mitigate the effects. How can we mitigate the effects of the poison, for example? Yeah. Those will affect us in different ways so that we can mitigate, I don't know, the damage, time, delay. Mitigate the delay. Yeah. Yeah. How can I mitigate the effects of the poison? Yeah. Well, different ways. I have different tools and methods. Different tools and methods to mitigate everything else. Yeah. How cool is that? Hold on, different tools. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, militate and mitigate. Militate, something powerful that stops something else. They militated, I don't know, anything. They militated the damage. How can they militate the storm? They can't. But they can mitigate the damage done from it. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Very good. Very good. So, can you use these words in sentences? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.